Welcome to Tulip Tuesday. Today's tip is for your Christmas tree. How to make a Galax rosette, leave it natural or gild. Start with a cluster, choosing your smallest. Roll it into a cone, add another, then piercing it with a 22 gauge wire. Go back and add on additional leaves, radiating it around, creating a beautiful rosette. The more leaves, the bigger it gets. And when you're done, taking your wire and clutch wrapping it tightly together to ensure that it stays nicely rounded. Then use it natural or gild it. The choice is yours. Join me tomorrow for our Facebook Live. We'll be showing you the Dr. Seuss tree, another option. And then don't forget, right now we're celebrating the gift of education. Enroll in Basic Floral Design by December 15th. Enroll a friend as a gift, or enroll yourself as a gift to yourself. And we'll send you the AIFD guidebook, gift wrapped, ready to put under the tree. Our gift to you as you give the gift of floral education.